trainers and facilitators, just a quick video message to ask you to come and join us at our next Trainers Development Network Yorkshire session, which is going to be on Thursday the 13th of February. I'm going to be teaching you all about TetraMap, which is a personality profiling tool based on the wisdom of nature, fire, air, water and earth. And at the same event, my friend Clive is also going to be coming to talk to us about his new book, Leading Beyond Sustainability, which looks at 6 key aspirations for a happier, healthier, more sustainable life.
Hi there, I'm Clive Wilson, and I really hope that your 2025 has got off to the best possible start. I'd like to share with you a couple of things that are really important to me. First of all, the publication of my new book, Leading Beyond Sustainability, 6 Aspirations for a Brighter Future. Secondly, the chance to take a look at the book and explore it together with Shirley, the team at Cedar and invited guests. And what we'll do is we'll go through the book and look at it. It's in 4 parts. The first part is about 6 aspirations for a brighter future. The first being connection. So this is connection with such things as the internet, social media, artificial intelligence, but also love, compassion, empathy, and so on. Secondly, peace, the cessation of war and the decline of violence. And thirdly, vitality, which is good health, not just for ourselves, but also the ecosystems and the world that we call home. Fourth, abundance of energy, water, systems, wealth, everything that we need to lead our best life. And fourth, opportunity, and this is in the form of such things as education and career development and so on. The final aspiration is wisdom, and wisdom is really important, as I've discovered by talking with audiences across the world for the last 8 years since the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals came out. So this is all about wisdom for leaders, wise leadership, and the opportunity to really do the right thing at the right time. The second part of the book is acknowledging the fact that we're all different. Different organisations, different individuals, all doing different things, but hopefully pulling together in the same direction. The third part delves deeper into wisdom, and I offer something that I call the Wisdom Code, which is a chance for you to reflect and consider how you might develop your own wisdom to join in this journey of creating a brighter future. And finally, alignment. This is about how we all pull together. If you think about how individuals work together in a team, teams work together in organisations, and organisations and governments around the world work together as humanity to give us our 6 aspirations for a brighter future. I'll see you there. Cheers.